Good afternoon, everyone. Tracy, the Guest Relations Manager of Pan Pacific Hanoi. Wow, I have just gone through a 2-day training journey with Jonathan Lowe from Global Success, and having just knowing the list of attendees before, I was the only person which not belongs to sales department. So I'm just wondering what I'm gonna learn from the program when I belong to operation rather than sales. On the very late on, just being away, not just only the course, not just only effective and also beneficial for any salesperson, but also for any person who work in operations. It's called Sales Hospitality and Service Mastery. From the course, I'm able to equip with a lot of information, skills, especially enjoy the EQ sessions. I learned how to read customer, how to handle, how to take calls in a difficult situations. And yeah, I mean, Jonathan is great, inspiring, influencing and person. I would say facilitator. I just read something during the course from a Russian playwright that knowledge is of no use unless you put it into practice. So we try our best to put everything we have learned during the past 2 days into practice. Start from now. Thank you very much.